Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace LCD and touchscreen assembly on the iPad Pro 12.9 first generation tablet. Before starting, we need the right tools to proceed to the repair, which you can find in the description. The most important part of the iPad repair is proper heating. For this, we use a heating pad designed for tablets and mobile phones. Make sure to heat the front side of the iPad. Select the tablet heating option and leave it till the heating completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or something similar. Once the heating completes, use a suction cup on the sides to lift the front screen. In between, insert a couple of plastic cut pry tools and cut the adhesive around. This process will take time and be gentle. Next, while pulling, be gentle. Flex cables are attached to the logic board. Once the separation is done, gently lift the screen from the top to about 45 degrees. Make sure the device is lying on the table. Next, undo 3 screws to take out the LCD connector bracket. Next, disconnect both LCD and touchscreen connector plugs. Now, can free the screen from the body. Next, ensure the frame edges are free from broken pieces and also with unwanted adhesive strips. Next, take out the home button flex from the broken screen. First, gently take out the sponge from the connector. Next, lift the lever, slide out the cable. And gently pry the cable. For this, you can use a plastic car pry tool. Next, apply some heat and take out the home button bracket. This process will take some time. Steadily force the bracket using a pry tool. Next, give a slight push to the home button from the front side of the screen to free the button. Next, place and secure the home button flex on the new LCD screen display. Gently place the button and secure the bracket. Next, slide in the home button connector flex and secure the lever. Ensure the cable is secure. Next, install the new screen to the body. First, lay the iPad's body on the table. Next, insert the screen from the bottom and keep it at a 45-degree angle. Next, connect both connector plugs to the board. Next, secure the bracket by adding 3 screws. Next, turn on the device for testing. Next, add LCD adhesive or glue to the frame. Here we are using B7000 glue on the frame edges. Next, clamp the screen to the frame. First, insert the bottom part, and then follow to the top. And then simultaneously click sides. Be gentle in this process. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the LCD screen with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.